Well, good afternoon. Markets have just closed here on Friday, the 22nd of February. Big day today. Export numbers came out this morning. We've had a lot of reaction from that. We'll just first go over some of these numbers before we get into where we are. We had the export figures today were the last 6 weeks combined, and cotton came out at 977,100 running bales. That averages 162,000 a week. We've got soybeans at 6.5 million metric tons. That comes out to 1.08, or a little over a million metric tons a week. Incredible numbers. Corn, 6 million metric tons over 6 weeks, so a million metric tons a week average. Wheat was 3.5 million metric tons, or 580,000 metric tons. Sound pretty bullish, doesn't it? Well, the market didn't act that way because we had a run-up, pretty good run-up in cotton over the last week. It was a case of buy the rumor, sell the fact, because they thought the exports would be good. They were. Market tried to rally, couldn't do it. We started seeing profit taking from speculators that had along the market, started to kind of steamroll and drop. And May cotton down 94 at 73.07. It actually got down to 71.85. So another 125 to 130 points lower at one point off a good number. Well, that's just, I'm just giving it to you as it is. Looking at soybeans. Soybeans, before the report came out this morning, beans were up 3. They're going to close down a quarter. 384.5, a high of 9. I'm sorry about the 3. It's at right now. May corn is closing at 923 and 3/4 to 924, and that's down about a quarter of a cent on the day. The high in the May beans 928, the low 920. May corn up a half at 384 and 3/4, a high of 386 and a half, a low of 383 and a quarter. May corn up a penny and a half at 492 and a half, with a high of 497 and a half and a low of 488 and 3/4. And in addition to that, we're making good progress on this trade agreement. And so along with that, 2 pieces of news that should have been incredibly bullish the market. And in fact, we didn't do too much in grains, and we sold off in cotton. I wish I could explain it to you, but we've been in a sideways market for a long time, and it appears we still are in that. Crude oil up 30 cents a barrel, dollar down 14, gold up $5 an ounce, silver up 12 cents an ounce. I'm looking at the Dow Jones right now. It's up 152 on the day. We hope you have a good weekend, and we will see you first thing Monday morning.